Did you know that in 1990, a powerful earthquake hit Luzon, moving the entire city of Baguio by 3 feet? That's right, an entire city was shifted westward by this devastating 7.7 magnitude quake. The quake caused widespread damage and changed the city's position on the map. Can you imagine waking up and realizing your whole city just shifted? If your city moved overnight, what would you do first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more jaw-dropping trivia from the Trivia-verse.
Trivia-verse.
Make sure to subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss a trivia drop. You'll be the first to know when new facts land, and trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next.